internationally recognized brands of production equipment. Core components: original factory, original brand, head enterprise. GOTS Elevator Company is a modern professional elevator company with European and American technology. The company draws on and digests advanced international elevator design, control and manufacturing technologies, and developed and produced a full range of elevator products, such as world-leading brand passenger elevators, villa elevators, freight elevators, medical elevators, sightseeing elevators, and home elevators. It is one of the important domestic elevator suppliers and service providers. At present, the sales network of GOTS Elevator has spread across all regions of the country and even all over the world, and has been supported and loved by international friends in the 5 Central Asian countries: Russia, Africa, South America, Southeast Asia and other regions, committed to providing high-quality, efficient, low-carbon and energy-saving elevator products and solutions. The company takes R&D innovation, reliable quality and customer first as its core values, and continuously improves its capabilities and service levels, provide customers with a safe and comfortable travel experience. It has also obtained the EU CE Export Qualification Certification, the Russian Customs Union CUTR certification and a number of product patents.